You asked, how to divide 7,459 by 2 using the long division method. 7 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 4, making 14. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 14 minus 14 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Bring down 9, making 19. 19 divided by 2 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 19 minus 18 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 3,729 remainder 1.